Hello, my name is May. My channel is Applied Virtual Solutions. Today I am presenting you with information on why Pearl Interactive is a great place to work either virtually or on-site. They are headquartered in Columbus, Ohio. They have a team of hundreds of dedicated, hard-working, and caring full-time, part-time, on-site, virtual, and temporary associates across the U.S. Pearl Interactive Network is a woman-owned small business, HUBZone certified social enterprise that reduces barriers to employment, particularly in rural and historically underutilized business hub zones. At the heart of what they do is providing opportunity for transformation and growth, both for their team and their customers. As part of the Pearl family, whether on-site or virtual, they work hard to know you as an individual. Like the diverse citizens they serve, the Pearl family of team members is made up of diverse and talented veterans, disabled persons, military spouses, and people living in geographically challenged areas. Pearl takes the time to get to know each individual and provide guidance and support to help them understand their value both personally and professionally. Your success is their success. If you are looking to be part of a team that embraces a culture of caring, values hard work as much as making connections with colleagues and customers, and provides the support and training to allow your talents to flourish, then Pearl would love to get to know you and have you join the Pearl team. Pearl offers a variety of job opportunities both virtual and on-site in the federal and state government and healthcare industries. They offer competitive benefits for their employees. What is needed to work virtually? Computer with Windows 10 or Mac OS 10.14, Mojave, or higher. High-speed internet, no Wi-Fi connection. Must be hardwired with an Ethernet cable. A private noise-free workspace in your home. An audio headset with a microphone for your home computer is preferred. Job requirements: a high school diploma or equivalent is required. A minimum 6 months customer service, administrative, telemarketing experience required. Must be able to type a minimum of 20 words per minute. Must be able to speak and read English clearly, professionally and fluently. Experience working with a PC and Windows operating system is required. Be part of something big. Apply to join the Pearl Interactive team today. I will leave a link to Pearl's career page in the comment area, where you will find many open positions. Subscribe to my channel. Click the bell to get notification of more jobs. Before leaving, like this video. Have a good day.